Hey, everybody. Good morning. How we doing? Looks like we got about 4 people on X already out of the gate. Good morning, everybody. It's just taking a look. Obviously, we had a really bullish afternoon or evening last night. We ripped up higher, consolidated a little bit in London, and then moved even higher. And now we're kind of pulling back to our London area. Anyways, London high right now. Sort of in the highs of the London session. Anyways, let's just get caught up here with financial juice, see what we got on the schedule today. So I'm not seeing any big news. 5:30, 8:30 a.m. East Coast Fed's daily speaks. Trump bilateral meeting with Syria press. So we got to keep an eye out for that. That's at 8 a.m. Or 11 a.m. East Coast. Yeah, nothing really big. No high impact news anyways. Let's see what we got here. If we can we got a Fed speaking in about 10 minutes. Currently have 11 viewers now. Good morning, everybody who just showed up there. Looks like we got 3 in Randy's YouTube channel. And we're up to like about 6 in the X channel right now. Good morning, good morning. So weird. Looks like I got signed out somehow. That's odd. That's odd. What's going on here? Don't know what's going on here. For some reason, I can't seem to sign into my accounts. Hey, good morning. How you doing? The government shutdown looks like it's almost over. Yeah, looking like I'll get some calls out the gate. Nice. Very nice. Very nice. I was thinking we're probably going to pop out of the gate also, since we've been pulling back, especially. So weird. I got logged out of my YouTube channel, and then my password wasn't working. So got back in there now, though. But there we go. So good morning to everybody who is in checking us out here. We got some people in YouTube and some people in the X channel there. Hopefully we'll have a nice little morning here, make some money. NQ's been going pretty sideways at the moment. Let's see, ES pretty similar. Since we had our last breakout, what time was this? At right around midnight. Boom. Ripped it higher. Well, I guess that would be 3 a.m. for the East Coasters. Get back onto the 15 here. Getting a pretty strong bounce here out of the on this this 615 candle. Oh, hey, good morning.
Good morning. How you doing today?
Not bad, not bad. How are you?
I've been sick for the past 3 days.
Oh, yeah, I can hear that in your nose a bit there.
Oh yeah, it's all in my nose.
So I guess I sent it through the computer there.
You did. You got me sick.
Sent the virus through the internet over there.
You bastard.
Sorry about that. So we had a pretty bullish evening yesterday, hey?
Yeah, the overnight was a hellish ripper.
Yeah, and we still have a gap that we left from the overnight there also. I feel like we're going to be a little bullish out of the gate, but I'm thinking we're going to get some sort of a pullback also. So we'll have to see how this goes. That gap is sort of from our previous day low at 67.72 down to 67.65. So that could be, you know, kind of a reversion idea if we start looking really bearish.
Yeah, it's definitely an area to keep an eye on today.
Yeah.
6,800 is previous day's VWAP. There's also a bunch of orders down there.
Yes, I haven't looked at the book just yet. I was
That's
like,
okay, I'm on it for you today.
Yeah, thank you.
You're
yeah,
welcome.
I got logged out of my YouTube, and then I tried to use my usual password, and it said it's like you changed your password like 15 days ago, and I'm like, I don't remember changing my password, so I just
Interesting.
changed it again. So I wonder if something I don't know, something happened there anyways. So we're good now.
So Bitcoin's up, gold is up.
Gold's up real nice. Hey? Up over 4,100. Or it was. Pulling back just below it now.
Honestly, it's looking like people are just buying dips on gold.
Yeah.
As soon as it gets to any key level, there's a huge amount of volume, and then the price just goes up.
Yeah. Had a pretty fun stream yesterday. Had quite a few people actually on. More than normal. Like I think we hit like 112 viewers or so at one point.
Wow.
And I gained a good chunk of subscribers yesterday too.
Very nice.
Went from 81 to 89.
Yeah, I considered getting on there with you when I saw you on last night, and then what? I don't think so.
Yeah, you're just like not feeling great, right? So
I'm gonna just lay in bed with my hot tea and
no doubt.
whine like a little baby.
Sounds like we just had the bell there. Well, not quite, actually. Sorry, I heard a bell.
Yeah,
like
we still gotta slow your roll there, Hoss.
That was actually ASFX stream going live, I think.
Oh, okay.
It's like ding, 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 ding. Man, that sickness it's annoying. It's just it's going everywhere, okay?
I don't know how it came from Vancouver all the way down here.
That's what I was thinking. Like, what's going on here? Hey, Dad. Good morning. And even my mom's got a little sinus cold too. She just got the flu shot, and she got the new COVID shot just recently. And then yeah, her sinuses have been pretty bad. We do have Fed's Muslin on TV or some sort of Bloomberg TV talking. Hopefully he doesn't say anything silly.
Silly, that's one way of putting it.
Yeah.
So while I was laying in bed,
yeah,
trying not to be snotty, I did manage to organize my accounts into account sizes, draw down, do all that stuff. So I shouldn't have as much problem with it.
Nice.
Managed to get something done. Yeah, I managed to get something done while I was laying around being miserable.
Right. We are live, guys. I'm going to throw up my VWAPs here on indices.
That's a nice little bounce up there.
Yeah.
See how this holds though.
Yeah. There's a bearish fair value gap above us from 68.24 up to 68.30 from, I guess that would be Thursday last week. Yeah, this is Thursday of last week. And I have that mechanical midnight open model trade available also to me here. But I don't see any fair value gaps. There is a tiny one actually, 68.15. So if I can get a closure below that, I could try that short. You're in 3 calls. Luke's in 3 calls, SPY calls, it looks like.
It's a nice way to start your Monday morning.
Well, government shutdown is kind of like seems like it's going to be over here, so that could be. I don't know if that's going to be a bullish sign or whatever, but it's going to take away a little bit of uncertainty if they can come back and start giving out some numbers, because that's kind of the problem, right? Is a lot of those numbers that we're used to getting, all the traders aren't getting right now. So
Yeah, we're not getting anything of value. But then again, when has the government ever given you anything of value?
I kind of want to get some of those Ignite accounts, but I just have so many accounts sort of already, and I'm not using a copy trader. So
Well, you need to get on that.
yeah, I was trying to play with that, and then I was like, well, I got to pay more money for an API key, and I got to do this and that. It's like, oh, maybe I should just keep trading in my, because I got top one futures. I could get a couple more accounts. I could just copy trade those, and then I got my Lucid, so it's kind of like I have my own 2 batches, sort of.
Gotcha. All right.
But yeah, I do want to get in there and get it going. I did sign up, so I guess I have that free month sort of going away at the moment.
Try it out. If you have any questions about it, just let me know. I've had all of the issues trying to get stuff set up, so there's a pretty good chance if you have any problem with it, I've already had that problem.
Okay.
Yeah, I've got 3 of the Ignite accounts.
Oh, nice.
See if I don't blow these ones up. I'm hoping.
Yeah.
I don't know what it is. I've had the worst luck with the top one futures accounts.
Yeah.
Actually, I can't even say luck. It's completely my fault. It's mismanagement and stupidity on my part. Is not even luck.
Happens though, right? Sometimes that's kind of part of the game. Sometimes you're gonna be a little bit off, make some mismanagement.
All right, gold is turning a pretty nice shade of red here. Down from 94 to 85.
Oh yeah.
At the 6 o'clock, the previous day's opening at their VWAP at 40.7180. Yeah, I'm not getting into anything on that right now.
Yeah. Keith, morning. I discovered last night you can't trade Ignite pre-market, or it won't let me. Really? Like is it rejecting your order or something? Like what's it telling you, Keith? $68.30 above here still.
Think it's going to reject off that level?
Well, yeah, I guess we'll have to see how this. It looks like it's real orders too. I don't see an algo line on those 217, 227 orders up at 68.30.
Yeah, there is. There's an algo line on that.
Oh, is there?
Yeah. It's only about 50% of the orders though. So
yeah, said market not open. Maybe you need to like kind of log out and log back in, Keith? I guess it would, if it's working now, it'd probably be fine, but that's interesting. I never heard that before. You should be able to trade pre-market.
yeah, I've never heard anything about it restricting free market trading.
Yeah, it must be some sort of a connection or
Send their
wow.
help desk a question.
Yeah,
Their help desk is actually the best in the business.
yeah. ChatGPT says you couldn't. Huh. Interesting.
I still don't trust ChatGPT. I think it's just because I'm old.
Austin was short, actually, dude. What the heck? He's almost stopped out right now. I just noticed. I didn't expect that. I thought he was long. He's like, it's a really small position though, or not that small, but he's down $300.
Strange.
Yeah, I'm surprised he's short there.
Yeah, I don't know what his reasoning for that is.
Uh-huh.
I'm sure he's got his reasons.
Yeah, yeah,
I don't really care to know them at the moment. I got other shit on my mind.
yeah. So we're kind of getting to the very top of this bearish fair value gap on ES, which is at 68.30.
High of the day keeps rising.
Yeah,
Could this be one of those days that just keeps going up?
could be, eh? Everyone's happy that we're the government's back open.
Is it actually open now?
Zach Arbucci went short at London High, and it's getting close to stopping him out here. Know what, Luke? They have to have another vote. Oh, okay, gotcha. So it's not open yet, but they're trying to open it up. You believe today or tomorrow that'll happen? Hey, gotcha.
Who knows?
Yeah. Oh, geez, man. Should just hit the long button there. Hey,
That's gambling, and you know it.
I know, but it's just like when this is kind of my style though, right? Like when we have this momentum, it's usually when I take those scalps, just take a little piece of that move out. But yes, it is pretty gambling because especially how fast it can turn around in the morning like this, right?
Yeah, that first 5 minute candle, I've done that before. Just like, oh, it's been going up. That first candle comes in strong. I put on a long, and then just burn up an account.
Yeah.
It's just before I can even put a stop loss in, it's just against me.
Yeah. So 6 of the Democrats flipped, eh? Oh, interesting.
Flip to what? Decided it's okay to increase healthcare costs, take a bunch of people off Medicaid, not fund the hungry and the poor, and still give $80 billion to Argentina, build a giant ballroom, basically a bunch of assholery.
Yeah.
Is that what they flipped
a lot
for?
about that ballroom, haven't they?
I do love all these people that claim to be, I'm a Christian, I'm a Christian, I'm a Christian. And then they basically say all the same shit. Fuck the poor. They're hungry and poor? Oh, poor babies. Just an opinion, but I can prove it with a crayon and some construction paper.
Austin's thinking about shorting again up here. And then Randy's like trying to be the voice of reason. Randy's like, are you wanting to short it up here just because you lost your first short trade? And then Austin's like, I'm not sure. So
yeah, that sounds like an ego issue.
Yeah. There's no real reason to be shorting it up here right now.
No, there's no indicator. I mean, everything is lined up for longs.
Yeah.
Opening range hasn't been set. It's bullish for the past 3 candles. The only 3 candles. So yeah, I'm not taking a short.
Ooh.
That's a little jump down.
Yeah. Just selling pressure there right at the end of that candle.
That was nothing to worry about.
No. That was just somebody taking profits at highs there.
They
probably were long from like pre-market or something, right? Big player.
Yeah, like there's still those 100, almost 100 orders 3 points above us. So
at 40, or yeah, we have 35 and
36,
40,
35, 37, 40, 42, 45, 47, 50, 68, 50
up there.
Yeah, there is no reason to go short right now.
Yeah. I think Randy's comment just woke Austin up though, because now he's like, yeah, there's no reason to be going short right now. It's like, okay, good job. That's more like
excuse me. Yeah, don't fight the VWAP.
So now Austin says he wants to go long. Evan's saying, I'm not going long up here. It's way too high.
Yeah.
And then, but that's just Evan, Evan's so patient. He's like, no, I'm going to wait.
Yep.
I'm going to wait.
I'm just waiting for a pullback. I'm looking at like 68.21, 68.18.
And then what's Randy going to do now? He's like stuck in the middle.
Oh, Randy's probably going to make money long and then make money short.
Yeah, right. Take a quick.
And Randy.
or set up one of their what is that, like an iron convert or something on two different accounts. Long in one, short in the other, make money on both.
It is possible. I wouldn't attempt it, but it is possible.
Yeah.
I do really like those days where I'm trading with you or Randy or whoever, and we take just opposite trades and both make money. That
Yeah.
always makes me smile. It's like just
Those are good
more
ones.
proof that management means a lot.
Yeah. Yeah, definitely. So we got 20 people in X. Looks like 11 in yours, 9 in Randy's. And then we got 3 in Randy's YouTube and 3 in my YouTube.
Nice. I'm still
Probably
kind of
my
surprised.
dad, Keith, and Luke in my channel.
I'm still surprised I have 11 people, even following me in X.
Oh yeah, you had like 17 on last night when I was live. Randy had like 60 or something, 69 or something.
Well, that's because everyone loves Randy.
Mm-hmm.
Randy's much nicer than I am. He's got better hair too. Oh, we getting that pullback I've been waiting for? Maybe.
Right? Kinda.
I mean, it's not much of one, but
68.26 is the VWAP. And we have a bullish fair value gap right there also lining up. So yeah, hopefully we can get a long trade there. I guess we might have missed it there at the 68.28. Zach's short again, looks like. Zach Arbucci.
all right. Using all that ICT hooey.
Yeah.
Have you watched any of his tutorials?
I've got about I think I'm only about three videos in so far. I just keep not having enough time to watch it. I do want to get through it all though, for sure.
It's good stuff if you can forget that it's ICT crap.
Yeah.
It's no, I'm looking for a long here.
I took a long there. Yeah, I'm in one contract for now. Stop at the bottom of that the last bullish candle at 635. I'm only in one micro though for now.
Yeah, I don't go for all that scammy ITC or ICT nonsense.
Yeah.
But if you just don't pay attention to what he's calling anything, and if you know anything about the history of the stock market in the U.S., it's all Wyckoff theory.
Yeah, yeah.
And it matches up exactly.
So Wyckoff guy came back in time, then abducted ICT and told them all the secrets.
Yeah. But ICT couldn't remember the names of anything. He just knew the key levels, and yeah. No. It's great marketing though. And people who follow ICT will defend him like
to the death.
Yeah, pretty much. I don't know what it is with all these people joining cults recently.
It's the new age thing to do, I guess.
No, apparently.
So I added 2 more contracts into that long there. See if we can't get a pop here, sort of up to the 35-ish level is what I'm hoping for, but we will see. Little less than 3 minutes on this candle, so anything could still happen here. Come on, bulls, let's go. What do we got up here? I got some levels up here that shouldn't even be here. That's not even supposed to be there. All right, well, I'm into max position now. I'm in 4 contracts. I'm not going to go any heavier than that.
Damn, look at you.
I like this confluence we have right here. We have you know, our EMAs are sloped up and spread apart. We have the New York VWAP right there and this bullish fair value gap. As long as we don't get a closure below 68.24, it should be okay, I hope. But I could be wrong here, obviously.
Well, we can always be wrong.
Could always be wrong.
Always be wrong. For me, it happens more often than not. So I got my stop loss at 68.22 right now. My average price is 68.26.75.
Mine's 68.27.25. So you're two ticks better than me. And my stop is at 68.20. So hey, Ralph. Hey, bud. Ralph's just sitting up, looking over the top of the couch, like, "Hey, what are you doing over there? I'm trying to sleep."
Who are you talking to? Come on, Dad, shut up.
Yeah. Are you gonna get me food already? Come on, hurry up.
I need food and my morning massage.
Yeah. Give me some head pets.
I do miss having a dog.
Yeah, dogs are fun. Dogs are fun. Yeah, let's flip this candle green here in the last 5 seconds. Come on, go, 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 go. 2, 1. That's nice, though.
There we go.
In that fair value gap. So.
Oh, come on.
Don't do it. Don't do it.
Show me something green.
Yeah. Yeah. Decent amount of selling pressure up there, though.
I don't like it.
You don't like it?
I just don't like this price action right now.
Yeah, it's not very. Oh, there we go. Come on, let's go.
Need to open up
Should I be
my
aggressive
idiot
this
mouth
morning and
more
just
often.
take this or what? I wonder. You know, I'm gonna start taking a little bit of profit. I'm gonna piece out of this one slowly here. Come on, just make a new high, and I'll sell one. Oh, come on, don't do that. Should have been aggressive there.
I took my 3 ticks of profit on that.
Yeah, that's what I should have done. That's what I was thinking. I was like, sheesh, man.
Wasn't much, but green is green.
Yeah, I mean, I was up $50 basically at that high of that candle. It's not over yet, but may have missed my opportunity there. Come on, let's go. Let's go.
See if we get a rejection off this VWAP here.
So far, so far. Come on, just pop it up here, guys. Come on, buds.
We can manage to stay above 68.26.
There we go. I'm out one contract now. See if we can't get a little bit more of a pop here. Come on, boys. Let's go. Next order is at 32.25. Come on, pop it. Pop it. There you go. There you go.
Come on.
I took that one off there. I'm going stop break even now. I have 2 contracts left. One order up at 68.34. You know, I'm going to actually just try to take this here, this last contract. I'll leave one more runner, and then I'll put my stop to break even and let it ride. Let's see what happens here. So I'm up. I've locked in $50, and this one contract's still going for another. It's up 30 right now. So see if we can't get continuation here. Hey, Daniel. Good morning. Have also been in the longs with you guys. Nice. Good job, Daniel. I mean, it seems like the only way to go right now. Hey, Zar. Good morning. How you doing? Zar, you're probably in the long too, or what?
Zar's been in a long since last night.
Yeah, still holding it. For
just adding to it.
8 hours, adding on every pullback. Full ported it at the low of London and just holding. Beautiful, guys.
I hope so.
Trying to take
hey, look at that. And I'm taking profit. Whew.
I'm going to go down to the 2 minute and start trailing on the twos here. Start trailing on the 2. Come on, don't pull back here. Just keep going for once, guys. Come on. Come on, guys. Let's go.
Do what I want you to do, damn it.
Can't you just do it for once, please?
Come on, it's my birthday. Do something for me.
My birthday is coming up actually soon.
Hey, well, you know, talk to the market makers. Tell them exactly what you want to happen.
Just get a Randy B candle here. Come on. Oh, now I'm gonna get stopped out right now. There we go. We're out.
No, don't
up
do it.
25 now. Although 50 was from yesterday, but so $75 today. Not bad on the morning trade. I don't know what is going on with my. I switched to the 2 minute chart, and it looks so weird. It's like missing 3 candles.
Oh, you have to reset it. Are you on your trading view?
Project X.
Oh well, that's
yeah. Now there's a 650 candles missing on Project X. What the heck, man? I'm just gonna refresh this and see if it changes it. I honestly just can't wait. Garbage. What the heck, man? This is so stupid. Long on MNQ off the VWAP break at 25.6K. Being a bit aggressive, trailing TP. Yeah, smart. Yeah, I mean, it could revert on us anytime here. We do have that gap that we left, right, from the overnight session.
You hear that?
I did hear like a little noise.
Oh, it's loud as hell over here.
It's not that loud through the mic though. So
yeah, I turned the noise reduction all the way up on it.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, can you see the noise doesn't bother me too much, but I'm sure nobody wants to hear macaws and monkeys and car horns and people yelling.
Hey, Nick, just take a look at my screen if you can here. Like,
hold on 1 second.
And then look at these 2 candles on gold here. Like,
that doesn't seem right. Hold on.
Yeah, like what the heck, man? So like that's gold. What's
Are you on the gold micros?
And look at NQs. Look at this. Yeah, it's micros.
December contract.
Huh?
December contract.
MNQZ, yeah. ES was, had the similar sort of problem. Oh man, I'm getting so sick of Project X. Like, look at this thing on Project X. Look at that candle on the ES. Like, why is that up at 68.87? Oh my god, I'm getting so sick of Project X lately, man.
Trade through trading view. Use a good trade copier. Trade through trading view.
Yeah, I do need to get that going here.
You really do. Project X is garbage. You're gonna end up kicking yourself for not doing it.
Yeah. Keith said I got out of my long. Don't like the way Project X is working. Up only 15. Yeah, I don't know. Smart move though. I mean, better safe than sorry, right? Like, it was fine there for a few seconds, and then all of a sudden it's like, boom, let's stick my candle up there at 68.87. Like, what the heck, man? Jesus.
All I want is a healthy pullback on ES. That's all I want.
Yeah. You're thinking about trying to get into another long here?
There's nothing telling me to get into a short.
Yep, definitely.
We're above VWAP. The EMAs are all stacked up. 9, 21, 65, 200. VWAP's
Interesting
below
here.
the 65.
Yeah.
And VWAP's down at 68.14 right now. So I don't really want to go long this high up. We're mid-range for the higher end of mid-range for the day at 68.30. So,
So my Lucid Project X doesn't have a floating candle. So it's only the top one futures one. But I'm up 125 in that account, so I switched over to Lucid here, see if I can't find a good trade on the copy trade here.
So I just opened up my top one futures, and I don't have any issues with those candles on Project X.
So weird, hey?
But I just opened it too, so
Yeah, that's true. Wait.
That might be.
Maybe I should try logging out and log back in.
You don't have a trade on right now, do you?
No.
Yeah, do it.
Yeah, I still have the same problem here on my chart.
I don't know what to tell you.
66.87.
Sorry, buddy. I got nothing for you.
Yeah, it's all good. It's throwing my EMAs off. Yeah, see, Daniel has it too. He has candles missing from. They're not missing. Look above Daniel. They're up at 66.87 on my chart. 66.87 or 86 area. Let me know if that's the same for you, because that's exactly what I got here. It's the same time, so it's got to be the same issue for Daniel as me, right? Yeah. Oh, I found them. They're eager beavers up there. Yeah, and Lucid is fine. So looking strong here. Oh, what are we doing? No pullback. I wanted to pull back. I haven't even turned music on. What's wrong with me? So quiet.
Sometimes silence is golden.
Yeah, you're sick today, so we can leave it off for a bit. You're doing stuff in your ear other than me. Well, I don't really want to trade it in this area where we're at now because we're just going sideways. We can get some momentum out of the 833 level. Take those orders 835, 6835. It's a big top one futures announcement coming this week, Austin just said.
Couldn't imagine what that is.
Giving free accounts to everybody. Woo!
Hooray!
Would love that.
You know that shit ain't gonna happen.
No. So my take profit trader account is you have to get it to 52 100, I think, to get rid of the buffer. So I'm about $383 away from getting that buffer gone finally on top one or take profit trader account. The book does make it look like we want to go higher, though, doesn't it? Mostly everything above, not much below.
Yeah, it's pretty dark below us. I don't see a heck of a lot of orders. Got 158 at 2250. Yeah.
Wondering
It's
if we should
good
try
for
to
shorts.
yeah, I'm wondering if we should try to get in long at the similar price that they paid earlier too here, because we still have that fair value gap down below, which is lining up with the New York and everything. So
Might just have to take a smaller pullback.
yeah,
We'll see if this double tops on anything here. I don't think it's going to, but we have the daily high above us at 68.35.50. So again, we're real close to that. If you want to play it up to that and then close it out before it pulls back on you, that's an option.
yeah.
It's not one that I really like,
There's only
but it is an option.
Like 2 points left now.
Oh, come on. It's 2 and a tick.
Yeah.
Just put on 10 minis.
Ah, no problem. Boom.
Yeah.
$300, just like that.
Yeah. That's how that works all the time, right?
Yeah.
You just full port it. You make your money. You get out.
Rinse and repeat. I need to get some coffee. Are you off the coffee right now since you're sick? I'll take that as a no.
I don't go off the coffee when I'm sick because I don't want to be sick and angry.
So do you have a head cold or did it go into your lungs also?
Yes.
In both?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, me too. So it seems like I sent it through the mic and it came out your speakers, and then you know how those viruses work.
Man, I thought we were friends. What the heck?
Well, friends share, right?
Oh yeah. Well, I mean,
no, it's pretty crazy how that kind of stuff can Oh, you got a little long?
No, I just got. Okay, a blip on my book map just showed 400 orders at 6,900, and then it came right off. Now it's only 156.
Huh. I don't see it up there.
No, it was
Like,
literally it just bloop, it came up, it said 400 and then changed right back to 156.
and it didn't even leave like a heat thing on there. Hey, that's
Nope.
how fast it was. So yesterday when we were trading, there was like an algo that just kept. It was like 68.20, then it was like 68.30, and every time the price got close to it, it just bumped it up, and then it like went higher, and then the price pulled back, and it came down a bit, and then it just and it never filled it. It just constantly kept moving. So weird.
Just trying to
400.
drag that price higher,
Yeah, pretty
maybe.
much.
Daniel heard that Lucid's doing a better job with the Project X than the other firms.
Okay. Yeah, I mean, this is a problem on top one features and not on Lucid.
I don't know if it's just because I don't feel well or if this is not my day, but this is testing my patience.
Yeah. Well, hey, maybe that's just a sign where you should just take the day off.
Yeah, it's just definitely a sign to not take any trades willy-nilly.
Yeah, and maybe keep the size smaller.
Yep. Yeah, I switch it over from micros or from minis to micros already. I'm not fucking around with that. That's
Yeah.
just a bad idea.
Especially because you're, maybe when you're sick, I found too, like thought process is just a little slower, and that makes a
Yeah.
big difference when you're trying to lock in those W's, right?
I'll take, a $20 base hit today and be very, very happy with that just based on how I feel and what this market's doing.
Yeah. So we just touched the VWAP there on the 5-minute. Kind of touched it.
Mm,
Zach Arbucci's still short on NQ.
I mean, I kind of get why.
Yeah, it could
Can't
work
seem
here.
to can't seem to break through that upper band.
Yeah. Look at all those wicks on the 5s. Like every candle that we've formed has a decent sized wick.
68.34.50 is a seems to be a resistance point there.
Yeah.
Keeps coming up to it and just pulling back down. Little tiny breakthrough it on 2 of those 5-minute candles.
Sucked in some more retailers. I'll be right back. 1 second.
Starting to get a couple of orders down here at 68.2250, 68.15. CBD is still at 6,500, so no reason to go short. It's above VWAP, above the 9, the 21, 65. There's absolutely no reason to be short right now. But I don't want to be long this high up either. So
Kind of trying to make another green candle here.
It's trying, but I don't think it's going to be a big one. This isn't going to be a Randy Boner candle.
Czar saying NQ is a little bit easier today. Either do nothing or buy, but no sells. Ah, good call. What's Dow doing? That's probably why. Dow's pulling back. That's why ES isn't really going anywhere. I mean, NQ isn't going much more than ES, but
oh yeah, no, NQ is not doing a whole hell of a lot for the past 20 minutes.
But it is a little bit more bullish.
But now that I switch it over to NQ on Project X, I got these weird ass candles sitting up at 25,877. What the?
Yeah, same thing. I got the same thing that you do up there, like 25,875, 877 area. Yeah.
No, that's just. Yeah, I pull up Trading View. Everything's normal on NQ.
Yeah.
So the only thing that's telling me is don't trade off Project X today.
Well, at least
and if you do, set a take profit right at that high that they're showing at 25,888.
Hopefully you get a false print up there.
Yeah, it false prints it.
Boom. You made $5,000 in one instant fake candle.
Awesome. Do it.
Oh, there we go. Pretty heavy pullback here. Now I'm scared to take a long though after the way that this one's moving though into this fair value gap. So
you still on ES?
Yeah. Oh
yeah, it just broke through VWAP. So
buyers came in there at the bottom of the fair value gap at 24.75.
But this is the first breakthrough of VWAP, and it's not very strong.
Closed below it though, on the 5 there.
Okay.
So yeah, I'm gonna wait here. I'm not taking any of this just yet. Getting a little resistance now on that VWAP. I still have that midnight open trade available to me. Zach Arbucci's mechanical model. I have a bullish fair value gap at 68.21. If we get a closure below that, could try a short down at least to the overnight VWAP. But again, like I said, I'm not really thinking short's a very smart idea right now, to be honest.
No.
Even though that model typically does work, maybe today's just a day to avoid it, I think.
Yeah, I don't think shorts are a good idea right now.
Is that Austin's? I think Austin's short. Yeah, Austin's short.
What the hell is he doing? What does he know that I don't know right now?
Yeah. YM's moved pretty lower, and it's sitting on the 200 EMA right now. Sitting on the Great Wall of China. I guess you've never been to China though, hey Nick?
No.
I've been there twice.
Not really a place I've ever had a desire to go.
Yeah, it's like my ex was Chinese, so that's kind
well,
of
that
the reason
yeah.
I went. And yeah, the Great Wall's pretty cool place.
Yeah,
Pretty amazing.
I've just never had a desire to go to China. I've been to Thailand. I've been to Japan.
Nice. Yeah, I'd love to go to Japan. But I think my next trip is going to be Portugal because I think I told you my sister and her husband bought an apartment
Nice.
in
They trying to get
Lagos.
residency there?
Yeah, I think they're going to do the D7 visa eventually. But for now, it's a vacation home. They got a business based out of the U.S., so they live in San Diego.
Gotcha.
And they got Untie the Knot. So it's a divorce company without having to use lawyers. So like people who are, still talking to each other and just agree that they want to get divorced, but they don't want to pay the lawyer fees. It's
Gotcha.
kind of their plan. And then they also apply for like birth certificates and stuff like that for people. So they're super busy. Like they've just like kind of blown up in the last year and a half. So
That's a good service to have too, because I mean, if you're going to go through a divorce, it's hard enough without having to deal with lawyers.
yeah, then you add that lawyer bill every time, right?
Mm-hmm.
You're already splitting everything. So you want to spend an arm and a leg to do that?
All right. I believe
And
I'm
Randy's
going to
long.
go into what's that?
Randy's long.
Yeah, so am I. I just covered 2 contracts long.
Nice.
I got a stop loss pretty tight, 7 points down. So that's not
those orders at 35 came off, or they were off. They're back up there, it looks like.
All right. Hopefully it'll get up there.
Yeah, now Austin's saying there's a 15-minute candle missing on Project X.
Oh, here we go. Randy B. Candle. You know what? I'm out.
Yeah, nice.
Yeah, I said it earlier. I will be happy with a $20 win for today. I just took $27.42 over 35 accounts.
There you go.
That might be my one trade of the day today, because
good timing there too, because it's getting a bit of a pullback.
Hey, I did something right for once.
Woo, especially on a sick day.
Yeah, I'm not really loving this. On NQ, it's at a midpoint of a large 1 hour fair value gap, and ES just filled that 1 hour fair value gap. Thanks, Daniel.
Green on a sick day is a win for sure. Yeah. Did you see that Randy's clip where they're talking about the boner candle apron?
Yeah.
That's pretty funny. He's like, "What? It's an apron?" Like, I thought it was a flag.
I want to get a T-shirt with just a picture of Randy's face
Oh,
and go on stream with him one day, and just to see his reaction.
yeah. Nice. That'd be funny.
With little green candles on his face.
I think Zach Arbucci's being a little stubborn in this short because this one's going against him pretty bad too.
Where did he get short?
Trying to get a pullback here. His short looks like, let me make it bigger here. Sort of at the bottom of that fair value gap, I think that Daniel was talking about. It's 870, 28, 875 on NQ ish, I think.
I mean, if he's got a plan and he's willing to sit through the drawdown,
sorry,
I'm not going to argue with him. The guy gets really good results.
Yeah, 25,630 is where he's at. $25,630. So sort of at the bottom of that consolidation zone.
No, thank you.
Nope.
Just no, thank you.
Yes, looks like it wants to pop here again. But then again, it's also just making equal highs. Lots of bouncing around up here. Yeah, it still looks like long all day too. I agree, Daniel. Totally
Still looking like long all day, but you're going to have to wait for pullbacks on this because it keeps hitting that right around the high, pulling back, comes back up. It's just slowly going up now.
Yeah.
Trying to get it back to that 947 price. It's at what, 68.35.50?
There's been 3,000 contracts sold at 68.35 somehow, though. There's a lot of action there. Hey, Jose. Good morning. Yes, we do miss you. Where you been? Initial balance is set, guys. Which we got a super double top on the initial balance there.
On that note, I'm stepping away for a minute. I'll be back.
Sounds good. busy schedule now. Might only hop on from time to time. Hey, thanks for coming in, saying hi. Glad you're doing all right then. Oops.
Today is not my day.
No?
No, Airbnb now that I'm in,
Yeah.
there's no water in any of the sinks.
Oh, that's weird. That's weird.
That's what I'm saying. My guess, an iguana chewed on the wires to the well pump.
Right?
It's a weird world I'm living in right now. I'm going to start looking for a bounce off of 68.27. It's going to bounce prematurely on me.
Where did my prop firm match go?
We're the problems today, aren't we?
I accidentally clicked the X on and I closed it.
Ow. At least that was a you problem and not a
But when I went to the live, it wasn't even on the live list, which I'm like, that's surprising. Like, he's so active. Like, they have, you know, they have 36,000 subscribers and 63 people watching. So,
all right, I just took my long at 68.31.
I'm gonna take this too if I can. Pull back one more tick.
And I'm out.
Yeah, Jose. That's what we were saying earlier. That Top One Futures and Project X has a bit of a weird thing going on today. I got some candles floating way up at 68,000, or on ES anyways, a 68,070 or something like that.
If anybody is here, if anybody here is on Top Step, check that and see if they're having issues there too.
I think Keith trades Top Step.
Top Step is Project X, correct?
Yeah, it is, yes. So I don't know if Keith is still around, but I'm pretty sure he's got Top Step X.
All right.
Yeah, 26,000. Oh, yours is at 26,100. Hey, I got on MNQ 25,866. I have those floating candles. Jose.
I forgot I have Top Step X accounts. And
Did
yeah,
you?
there are floating candles on
Interesting.
NQ, but not on ES.
Then why is Lucid okay?
Now here's where you do a shameless plug for
Yeah,
Lucid and use your code MTB or TMB. What's your code?
MBT.
MBT. Well,
Yeah, Market Butcher trades.
well, there you go. So if anybody's watching, use Dave's code and get yourself a Lucid account. Obviously, they've sorted out this whole issue with Project X. Ooh.
Back into this fair value gap here. I was thinking about taking a long there, and then it was going without me, so I canceled my order.
You glad you did?
Yes. Oh, damn. Lots of orders came on below now, too, eh? 68.23 down to 20 is pretty thick. I wasn't looking at Bookmap there for a minute. So we got...
That was a pretty strong push down below the today's VWAP.
Yeah. More than 50% of the candle.
Yeah.
Almost 38 seconds. If they get a closure below this fair value gap, it's not good for the buyers.
No, at that point, if it stays below VWAP, I'm going to look for shorts down to 68.14 or 68.1650. See if I can get a couple of more little base hits in before I sign off and
Looks
call
like
it a day.
Austin's short is working here. I don't know. Did we get a closure outside there? Yeah, we did get a closure outside that fair value gap there on that candle. So let's see what happens here with this next candle. Let's get over here onto the ES. Yeah, it did invert that fair value gap. Whoa, what happened there? Did you see that?
I didn't see anything.
It ripped down to 68.23 for a second.
Really?
Yeah, we're sitting at 23 now, but it whipsawed down and back up like in a second.
Are you on a 1 or a 2 minute chart or a 5?
5.
All right, I am in my short 68.24.
I'm a little reluctant, but I should be joining you here. I agree.
Got my stop loss in at 68.28, so it's a nice tight one.
Yeah. Uh-oh. I grabbed that short there. I went in a little bit too low. I think those 68.2250.
I think it's going to continue going down from here. I wouldn't be all that worried about it.
I got my stop sort of. It's only one contract, but it's my copy trading the 6 accounts there. So
you got a stop loss in?
Yeah, it's up just above the New York VWAP at 68.2850.
You comfortable with your stop loss?
Yeah, it's only one contract.
Then don't worry about it.
68.20 is a trend line that I had put on earlier where we broke out. So that's kind of could be potential resistance there. Plus those orders, 248 there. Oops. Probably loud.
Playing drums over there?
Yeah, the coaster stuck to the bottom of my coffee cup. And I picked it up and it was like, ding. We got room down to 18, or at least that's where those orders are.
That's funny. I just put my take profit at 68.17. And now I'm moving down a little.
See if we can't get this move here. Capitalize a little bit more on this downside. If we can take this trend line at the 20 area, I'll be bringing my stop to break even. Slightly in the money anyways, a couple bucks in the money maybe. Come on, let's go dump it. Yes, here we go. Drop it like a transmission. What was it?
Falling like a bad transmission.
Yeah. Drop it like it's hot.
Well, we made a grand total of $15 on that trade.
Oh, you pulled your stop in there already?
Oh yeah, I pulled it up to just inside the break even.
Yeah.
I don't have the mental capital right now to be dealing with anything other than real tight stops and pulling it into slight profit quickly.
Yeah. Uh-oh.
And I'm glad I did.
Yeah.
Make sure this is all flattened. Oh, hey, I'm only $50 away from taking a payout on this account.
Nice. There you go. That's awesome. Come on, let's go lower here. Just a bit. We bounced exactly off that trend line that I was talking about.
Yep. I put in another short at 68.23, so I got a stop loss at 68.27. Again, keep this really tight. If I make a couple of bucks, I'll be happy. I'm not even looking for that 50 bucks for a payout at this point. I'm just
just trade the trade, right?
Yep. I don't know if anybody is actually watching us trading right now that's new to this, but get that payout nonsense completely out of your head. Because if you start trading for a payout, you're going to just ruin your accounts.
Yeah. Oh, looks like I missed Zach Arbucci's giveaways here. I don't know. I didn't see him say anything about it. Although been not paying that close attention. I got my finger on the sell button here, trying to add to it here. If we get start some momentum here lower, just got to break that.
I added to it and pulled my stop loss into a profitable zone. So I'm just going to let this go for a little bit and see if it goes in my favor. It's only 2 minis, so.
2 minis. Woo.
Yeah.
Come on, let's go. I got that order at come on, hit that order. Do me a kind one. Hit that order. Be kind. Be kind. Yes. Trying to fluff it up a little bit here to the downside.
And you can drop. You look good when you turn red.
Come on, baby. There's all those orders below. There we go. Now I'm bringing my stop down here.
I just added 1 mini to it.
There we go. I'm out.
Stop loss is at 75 bucks.
Very nice. I made 36. I'm out. Trailed that stop pretty aggressive there. 36 across 6 accounts. Woo!
All right, I made my 75 bucks.
Perfect. That's what we like.
Oh, now it's dropping.
Oh, of course, yeah. Figures, eh?
As soon as I my stop loss gets hit, it goes
same
into
for
profit.
me. Of course, right?
So that's of course how it's going to happen.
Of course. Can't be any other way, right?
Nope. But we are playing around with previous days of VWAP as well. Or yesterday's 6 o'clock VWAP.
Right on it. And we have the all-time high VWAP there.
Pushing through it. It's playing around with the initial balance as well. So if it breaks through that, looks like it's going to be short for a bit.
Yeah. Yeah, and we have all-time high VWAP there, anchored VWAP at 68.11, which is sort of just below IB low. There we go. We took it. Took all-time high.
See how this 5-minute candle closes. Got to wait for that candle closure. This is not looking good for ES.
No, it's starting to look heavy.
Still have a couple hundred orders, like 500 orders up above us, but CBD is starting to drop. It was at 6,200 about a half an hour ago. Now it's at 44, 43.
Yeah, it's going low for sure. Look at that momentum. Damn, too bad we didn't hold that one, hey? That's too bad.
Yeah, this is the one that I should have held, but you know, shoulda, woulda, coulda.
Yeah, I know. Hindsight says that, right?
Yeah.
Hindsight.
You know, I made $100 per account today. I'm okay with that.
Oh yeah, that's great.
I'm not going to be greedy. I'm not going to be a pig. I'm just going to take my $100 out of the market and be happy with what it gave me.
Yeah, I mean, you were a bull earlier, and then you were a bear later. You just weren't a pig today.
Yeah. You using my own quotes against me here?
Yeah.
I'm not mad about it. Yeah, I'm definitely not afraid to change my thesis.
No, I mean, and you shouldn't be, and that's one of the biggest things for futures traders is you can't just stick to one bias because it's such a mean reversion type situation that it's like doesn't make sense. So I'm actually long on a gold trade here too. So I went long on gold. I got my stop to break even. I'm in long 4,090. I got my stop at 4,090.
Oh, that's a nice price.
So I got my targets up at 4,098, sort of front running this doji candle on that previous high. Hopefully we can get, I like how we printed that really big candle and then we're started bouncing. Let's hope we don't get stopped out here though. Just gonna let
for
this
gold,
one
look at your orders up at 41.14. 41.08, 41.14. There's some up above that as well, but
I got to be careful. I'm playing with the end of day drawdown because I'm at all-time highs in my accounts now, so I got to be pretty aggressive on taking my profits here. Currently up $20 in this trade.
We're just playing that prop firm game at this point.
Yeah. Just don't come back down here. Don't come back down. Don't. No. Looks like it's going to stop me, actually. Yeah, it's going to stop me out. Looks like. There we go. We're out. So, yeah, I gave back a little bit. A small win, but I gave back $18 out of my trailing drawdown there.
Okay, but you were green on the trade?
Yeah, it's like a couple bucks. Nothing really. I think it was like only 0.3 points, like 0.3 points.
That's all I've been doing.
Amazing.
He's short NQ or ES?
NQ, yeah. He's holding that still too, and he's looking for the lows of London, I think. So he's probably up like $1,000 or more because I think he trades like 2 minis. So
that makes sense.
And on NQ. So, and he was short up at 630 and now it's down at 540. So he's up like 60 points, 70 points, 80 points maybe.
So for ES right now, I'm going to be looking at resistance at 68.1450 and nothing but shorts at this point. We got the band from the 6 o'clock VWAP and the New York VWAP, 68.25 down to 68.1450. I mean, it's only 11-point width, but it's still enough for me to scalp.
Yeah. I'm going to run to the bathroom. I'll be right back.
Sorry, anybody watching this. I look and feel like hammered shit right now.
What a rip lower, hey?
Yeah, I just did an NQ short. Just one contract. $200 on that one, so
Wow, still going. Still going.
that it is.
It's heading for London lows, looks like. Sitting on, we're at the midnight open and the 200 EMA on the 5-minute. And only about 5 points down to London lows.
I'm going to see if I can take this 5 points here.
Oh, you're short?
Now. I just went short.
Nice. I feel like we saw this price action not long ago, like the way that we popped up at the open, did this like consolidation for a long period of time, and then just broke down hard. I'd have to look back at the charts, but that wasn't that long ago that this basically happened. The same thing happened. Well, gold didn't really go anywhere. So that trade where I stopped out was probably, it's good that I stopped it out because it's looking like a little heavier now. What is YM doing out there? Oh, wow. YM's also heavy. Trump's meeting with Syrian interim president.
Was he going to offer him $40 billion too?
Right. Zach's still holding that short, hey? Wow, what a master.
I actually don't blame him right now.
Oh yeah.
I'm kind of with him on this one.
He's up 525 ticks.
Wow.
Yeah. That's over 100-point trade, right?
525 ticks?
Yeah. 100 is 400, so
it's 100 and change.
125. Yeah. 130 points. Whew. Oh, he's on MNQ, so he's on the micros, but still.
Oh, either way, that's still a good trade.
2 MNQs, like that's got to be like at least 6. Well, what's 100 points at $2 per point times 2, 200, 400. Yeah, he's around $500 in profit right now.
That's awesome.
Oh, James just jumped on there on prop for match with he just hopped on there with Zach.
James Bruce.
Yeah.
All right, now I got 3 minis in this short on NQ.
Oh, gold's starting to go now too. Ooh, good to get back. I had a floating order there. I forgot about.
Oh shit! All right, I'm gonna pull this into profit.
Whew. Beautiful push there. And there's the lows. They just took the lows.
I'm gonna put my stop loss at 350 in profit. And just wait on this. I'm out.
Nice. Good trade, though.
So that was $820.
Nice. There you go. You turned this into a real good day.
Yeah, that's only on one account, though. I'm not.
Okay.
I didn't want to start screwing around with trading minis on multiple accounts. I closed out my my copier and just trading one account now.
Nice.
I wasn't willing to put that kind of risk on anything major.
Yeah.
Not today.
Not today. No thanks.
So today has been kind of ridiculous for me.
Yeah. In a good way.
No, just kind of ridiculous. Made $37.68 on 35 accounts.
Yeah.
$28.85 on 25 accounts.
And
$5.14 on these 20 accounts. $22.60 on these 10 accounts. $79 on one account and $1,100 on one account.
what a discrepancy there, hey? On
Yeah,
that last
I mean,
one.
this is just stupid. Anybody who looks at my trade today would basically be going, what the hell were you thinking?
Hey, it's green. It's green.
Yeah,
That's
green
really
is green. And right, like all those small little wins, that's just, today is just a day to add to the buffer. That's it.
yeah.
I did qualify for a payout on the, not this last one, but the trade before that. So
Nice. If you should post that payout in Discord because nobody's posted a payout in the payout tab yet.
okay,
So you'll
I'll
be the
do that
first.
when
Yeah, when you get that confirmation or whatever.
yeah, I never really saved those. I would just delete them. I'll start saving them and posting them for you.
Cool. Yeah. Okay, what I got? I got this top one futures also. I got to download that guy. Finding some support there at the from that Asia low or London low, sorry.
Got a bit of volume on this candle. It's 24,000 orders so far on this. Is that right? Why am I getting Canadian news feeds here?
Oh, really? What kind of news?
I don't know. I just deleted it. What's going on in Canada? We do maple syrup futures.
Yeah, that'd be amazing. I'd be long.
Me too. Do you know what the price of maple syrup is down here?
Huh.
It's about $50 a pint.
Holy. Gotta start buying it and importing it.
I mean, I might be Central America's largest maple syrup smuggler here if this shit's.
That'd be hilarious.
You know what I'll do? I'll go to Canada. I'll buy the maple syrup there.
Yeah. You gotta go East Coast because that's where it's mostly produced.
Yep. I'll go to Quebec, Ontario.
My take profit trader is really slow right now. Sometimes when I go to download the CSV file, it's like it just takes forever. Like it's just doing
Really?
nothing. I think there's like a queue. Probably everybody and their mom's doing it right now. Just waiting.
All right, so now I'm looking for a little bit of a pullback towards 68.14, 68.13, somewhere around there. See if it rejects off that previous day's VWAP
Yeah, and IB low.
and initial balance low. Yeah. If it breaks through it with strength, I'll be looking at longs. If it rejects off it, I'll be looking at shorts.
Yeah.
I don't know how much more I have in me today, though, so if it doesn't get up there quickly, I'm going to be signing off and letting you pilot the ship on your own.
No worries. There's an invalid CSV file. What do you mean, invalid CSV file? What do you mean, invalid?
Are you doing that in your TradeZella?
Yeah.
I had the same. Excuse me. I had the same issue with that. Your CSV file in Project X, you have to go from like daily chart to trades taken when you upload it. I think that's how I fixed that problem.
Well, it went through this time, so.
Well, then I will just shut up.
So I'm up to 43 on the day. I'm happy with that. So I made 184 last night, and I'm up to 43 today. Just
That's
slow and
awesome.
steady on these base hits. Yeah, so my
we can do.
Looking super green again. I did take $84 loss last Sunday, and then since then it's been green, 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 green. So
That's
880,
beautiful.
230, 440, 1,000, 329, 184, 243.
And I just happened to notice that your red day was not even close to your green days.
Yeah, super small.
So that is a win in and of itself.
Yes, sir. Yeah, so I'm getting close to converting some of these Lucids to passed. I mean, I only need 630 to pass this Lucid. This one I need 775. The other one I need 970. So get
at the rate that you're going with how your calendar looks. Just keep doing what you've been doing. Don't rush it. You're gonna get there in 2 weeks.
Yeah.
I mean, maximum. Say you have another day with a max loss of 150. You're still gonna turn those into funded accounts within 2 weeks.
Yeah, I'm just playing the slow game here, not trying to rush it. The more funded accounts I can get, the better.
Yeah, and the more you rush it, the more you lose.
Yeah. Although I feel like, I've been getting so many wins. It's like, if only I was just using a little more size, it would have been you're doing so much better. But
look at the account size.
Yeah.
What's your drawdown on your Lucid account?
Yeah, it's like 2,000, right?
So if you're trading with 10% of that account, that's a $200 loss. You can only take 10 losses in a row before you lose that account if you're going with 10%.
Yeah.
I mean, I would put a $100 daily max loss limit on it, trade with smaller size, keep the account for a longer period of time, pass it, and start collecting real money from it.
Yeah.
And then just add another account to it and do the same thing on that.
Yeah. This says my maximum loss limit is 2,876.
So you've made $876 on that account without hitting your trailing drawdown.
Yeah. And yeah, it's been super base hits. Like if I look back at my my wins and stuff, it's like $11, $18, $10, $11, $60, $40, $22, $60, 87, 125. So
And they're all green. Yeah, but they're all green.
yeah. Well, there's a
So,
couple losses, but 27,
well,
15,
yeah, I mean,
18 loss, but yeah.
but they're all green. So great.
Yeah.
Just keep it up.
Keep plugging away. Just got to keep plugging away.
If you think about it this way, how long do you really spend in a trade?
Oh, the trades are short. Like if I 5 minutes, 7 minutes, 5 seconds, made $10 in 5 seconds.
All right.
14
So
seconds.
what's
25
the average hourly wage for somebody in your area?
Well, minimum wage is probably like $15, $16 here
All right.
per hour.
So just for shits and giggles,
Mm-hmm.
say $50 an hour.
Yeah.
All right. Your 5-second trade where you made $20.
Yeah, do the math
That's
on that.
yeah.
That's a lot of math.
It's a hell of a return on time.
Because it's 20 times in 1 minute and then 60 times from that. So 20 times 20 is 400 times 60, 200, 2,400 per hour.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think so. Yeah.
That's like real expensive lawyer money right there.
Yeah.
So you take that one trade and say you just have 8 accounts. That one trade of $30 copied across 8 accounts. If you make $50 total in an hour across 8 accounts, that's a full day's wage at
Yeah.
$50 an hour.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, people in this game look at it like they expect to be making hundreds of thousands of dollars every day.
Yeah.
And some days it happens. But generally speaking, it doesn't. You're going to be making small amounts of money. And as long as you can do that consistently over time, you're going to get paid a really good amount of money, especially if you're copy trading.
To keep it in perspective, right?
Yeah, and that's the problem. People, I mean, you go to work and be real happy working for, $300 a day. You make $500 in 10 minutes on an ES contract, and you won't close that shit out.
Oh, that's loud. Sorry. Didn't turn that down. Morning, Juan. How you doing? Juan was here last night while I was streaming live.
Is it getting to be about time for another NQ short?
You're looking at NQ right now?
Yeah, I'm just going through looking at ES, NQ, and gold.
Yeah.
ES is starting to drop down.
Yes, it is. Back to the midnight open. And it's right on the 200 EMA right now. Because there's still the gap there down below at between 67.72 and 67.66. So I wonder if they're going to try to go all the way there today.
I don't know. On a personal account, I would do a long if gold ends up breaking 4,100 and staying above it for any length of time. I would do a long on gold over 4,100.
Pretty key level. Would like to see it get over 41.02 there, that recent high where it rejected. That would be a bit of a tell. Hope we get a flush on MNQ. Was a bit late on the entry in the IB low break. It did move pretty fast when we went through IB low, though, so that 6,800 level here. Kind of a little bit of support there.
Low days at 67.94.75. Is that correct?
Yep.
Yeah, I don't think I'm going to pull an Austin today and short this at the low of day.
Yeah, it is a little. There's a good potential of a bounce now that we've pulled back, but if we start getting a little more momentum, I could definitely see us heading to the low of, pre-market or overnight session at a minimum. And then if we get all the way down there, then they're probably going to fill the gap. That is quite a ways away, right?
Yeah, that's a bit. 67, 71, 75.
35 points.
Yeah.
So
67, 72, sorry. Yeah, that's a ways down there.
what do we got on NQ? How far is it there? To close the gap, 229. So
actually, now that I'm looking at that, that's not even 30 points.
What's that?
It's not even 30 points now that I'm looking at it.
To close the gap?
Yep.
65 to 800.
Oh, to fill the gap is going to be 65.
It's like 35 points, but
yeah,
from where we are currently, but still, it's doable. I mean, we've seen it before. It's really flirting with the low right now. Like it really looks like it wants to take out these wicks to the
it just
downside.
keeps poking it.
NQ hasn't taken the lows of the London session. They have basically perfectly equal lows on NQ. I might actually start watching NQ for a few minutes here. Seems like there's a little bit more of an opportunity on NQ. Got really nice equal lows down at 25,456. So there's quite a decent amount of room.
So I am actually going to put in just a 2 micro short on ES right now.
All right. You're below the 200. You're below midnight open.
Yep. Take profit at 67.82.
Hey, there's Zach. Hey, how you doing, Zach? Haven't seen you in a while. Yeah, good to see you. How's your trading been going there, bud?
Heck.
Okay, let's get some music going here. We've been quiet for a while. So this is the first day we've had no music. So I go in short.
Oh, here.
Looking to get back in this week, hopefully. Accent. Been traveling, haven't traded in 3 weeks. Oh wow! So nice break for you there. You should be nice and refreshed.
Music licensing reimagined.
Coming back from a break, you're just going to be nice and relaxed. Your entries are going to be perfect. You're going to make a shit ton of money.
Yeah.
You're going to send us 1% via Venmo.
Please.
Artlist.io.
So we currently have 39 viewers. We got 28 in X, and we got 5 in Randy's YouTube. We got 2 in your YouTube and 3 in my YouTube. So your YouTube's banging right now. Just like mine. Banging.
All right.
There you go. Getting a little more push there on that ES trade. What props are cooking nowadays? I would definitely recommend Lucid. You can use my discount code MBT. So interesting you say that, because if you look at the top 1 futures, did it fix it here? It looks like they fixed it.
They probably heard us complaining about it.
Yeah. So there was some candles floating up above. Yeah, it's fixed now. I don't know what the heck happened, but it seems like it's fixed.
Reimagined.
Closed that trade out, made $40
There you go. Nice.
on 16 accounts.
16 accounts. Nice. How many batches do you have right now?
Too many.
Yeah. Yeah, Ak, I'm loving Lucid. It's a good firm. They seem to be having less issues lately. One-time fees. Oh, gold's taking 41.02 right now.
Of course it is, when I'm not looking at it.
NQ rejected 85. Longs might come in, says Jose. Yeah, nice little bounce on that last little candle there.
Music licensing reimagined.
All right, it is 11:30. It's past my bedtime.
Have a good one then. Good job.
Get out of here. And thank you. I appreciate you and all of your help.
Yeah, no worries.
I'm gonna go use some nasal spray and see if I can get rid of all of this.
Yeah.
All right, you have a good one. I'll talk to you later.
You too. See ya.
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing.
I'm bearish, but want to see a pullback to 25,580. That's what you're looking for, 25,580. Halfway up, sort of that bearish candle up there. I mean, this is sort of a bullish channel if this is what I've drawn on here is correct. So we might end up flirting around here a bit, and if we break out, would be probably to the top side.
Artlist.io. Artlist.io.
Should be have the book on NQ
licensing
here.
reimagined.
Bunch of orders there up at 25,700. Gold was a little annoying this morning during London. Woke up, missed 1.5% breakout since Sunday open. Took a long and had to hold for 5 hours until TP was smashed. Well, hey, nice trade though. If you got that TP hit. Nice patience there.
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Look how fast the tape's moving. Wow, yeah, it is. Lots of orders coming through there, hey? Whew. Yeah, it's flying right now. There's a battle going on. Green, red, green, red.
Artlist.io. Artlist.io.
Starting to get a bit of a pullback here on this price. We can break the bottom of this channel too. I mean,
Music
obviously,
licensing reimagined.
looking like we could at least head down to the 457 level.
Artlist.io.
I'm starting to feel pretty hungry, actually. Might have to have a Taiwanese pancake this morning.
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
So we found some support at the bottom of that channel there. 62 level. Quick 20-point bounce there. We did sweep the lows, those equal lows, guys. Yeah, early buyers taking out on that wick. Yeah.
Artlist.io.
Gonna grab a refill on coffee. One
Music
second.
licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
Still flirting with the flush, eh? Yeah, it does look like it might want to rip lower still.
Music licensing reimagined.
London lows. I think we already took London lows. London lows are basically
Artlist.io.
London lows is 25,455. So we did sweep it on that candle there.
Artlist.io.
I mean, mine shows 25,456.75, and this low of this candle was 452.
Licensing reimagined.
I mean, we didn't close or anything down there, but looks like we swept it. Wonder if they're going to go to Asia lows still. Let's see. Got to get out of this channel here, this consolidation channel.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
NQ's trying to push down here.
Music licensing reimagined.
Yeah, reversal would be interesting to see here for sure.
Artlist.io. Artlist.io.
Keep finding support down at this anywhere down here in this just around the 60s, right? Yeah, no institutional volume for sure. Volume is we're kind of in that slower session here, sort of like lunchtime in New York, right? 11:45.
Artlist.io.
Burger time. That's actually a video game. I don't know if you ever know that. ColecoVision, I think it was. If anyone knows what that is, you gotta be a little bit older, but you used to like make hamburgers in the game.
Music
Burger time.
licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
I do trade gold sometimes. I started doing that a little bit more recently.
Artlist.io. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
Yeah, I wasn't really trading gold very much in the past, but then, you know, since it was going so parabolic for a while there, started catching my eye a bit, took a couple trades here and there, and then now I've been trading it a little bit more, mostly in my take profit trader account and not so much in my other futures accounts. So kind of just one of my accounts I've been using.
Artlist.io.
Oh, looks like I'm gonna win. I might win it. That's me.
Music licensing reimagined.
I won a free account. Nice. I just won a free account, guys.
Artlist.io.
Proper match.
Artlist.io.
TFM support on X.
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music
Proper match support.
licensing
Okay.
reimagined.
There we go.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Use the arrows, move the person to the indicated seat. X.
Artlist.io. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
How do I link
Artlist.io.
link them my Sounds good, Czar. Take care. Have a good day. Yeah, right.
Music licensing
A whole lot of indecision in this channel. Let's see if we can. They might end up sweeping, sort of like sweep up to the 25,540 area, and then head lower. Be interesting to see. So we'll keep an eye on this for a bit here.
Artlist.io.
How do you print screen? Anybody remember how to print screen on your on a PC?
Music licensing reimagined.
Give AI a quick question here.
Artlist.io.
Up on the right side of the keyboard. Oh, I see that. Print screen. Nice. Thank you.
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
You please record a video of your screen showing your account with your
Artlist.io.
YouTube name, handle visible.
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
Hopefully that's good. Let me read that again. Could you please record a video of your screen showing your account with your YouTube name and handle visible? To do this, click on your
Music
profile,
licensing
select view
reimagined.
channel, then click more. Okay, click more.
Artlist.io.
Hopefully that'll be sufficient.
Music licensing reimagined.
Ooh, NQ guys, look at that rip. So like I was saying, this is a bullish channel. I didn't go long. I was actually
Artlist.io.
submitting my application for that free account. So I was looking away there.
Artlist.io.
I wasn't paying attention, unfortunately.
Music licensing reimagined.
This is pretty odd, though. Are we going to head all the way back up to the IB high, guys? Huh.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Leave it for lunch. Bye. Thank you. All right, Juan. Have a good day. Have a good day, sir. Damn, missed that really nice long. Hey, guys. 16 points, 15, 16 points could have easily taken there.
Music licensing
Wish I wasn't looking away.
Artlist.io.
I was on NQ. I just looked over to ES. I was just curious. I was watching NQ there with this this bullish downward trending channel there.
Artlist.io.
Swept out the lows of the London and popped. We do have a bearish fair value gap here though right now, which we're currently inside. Like this. So if you guys are long, I would definitely think about taking, not financial advice, but if it was me, I would think about taking, you know, some off here anyways, in case it decides to reject in this area.
Artlist.io.
Yeah, they could be making a lower high today, right, in this area, potentially.
Music licensing reimagined.
Darren had a break-even-ish day. Didn't short small long earlier. Gotcha.
Music licensing reimagined.
Looks like I won a free top one futures account today. Hey guys, I entered on Zach Arbucci's stream on prop firm match and won a duck race. Woo! So today is a good day. I'm not sure what account it was, but it's probably like an evaluation account or something. I'm not going to complain though. I gotta hit the bathroom real quick. I'll be right back.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
And I'm back. So I do have an appointment at 10 a.m. this morning, so I can't stick around too much longer, but we got another 15-20 minutes. Let's see what's going to happen here. So good thing, well, I don't know if any of you guys were long there. Hopefully you did cover a little bit in this area. I mean, it doesn't mean that the run is over, right? It might still continue higher, but yeah, those fair value gaps, they definitely mean something.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Artlist.io.
So we have a bunch of orders there up at 25,587. looking like it's trying to be the draw on liquidity, which is 87. It's sort of at
Music licensing
halfway point of this fair value gap. A little bit of, you know, top third anyways. Currently have 41 viewers. We got about 32 in X and 8 in YouTube. Thanks for everybody for tuning in for the stream.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
We do have a bullish fair value gap here where we currently are now. So we got a little bit of a conflicting situation here, right? So this guy is green. So if we can get a closure below this, definitely looking a little more like it's going to head back to this channel. This might be the, you know, the liquidity grab to take it lower. We got 40 seconds left on this candle. Let's see if we can't get a closure down there. Looking like we're gonna get it. Possibly. So let's turn this yellow just in case it's gonna be ready for this inversion. We got 8 seconds left here. Yeah, looking like they inverted it. So shorts seem like they're back in play, guys. For now.
Music licensing reimagined.
Some volatility at this level here. Tons of movement on the tape there.
Artlist.io.
Oh, there's a 1 minute fair value gap down there. Yeah, there is another fair value gap right below us actually. Even on the 5 right here. So that guy's still green one.
Music licensing.
So we got a bearish above, we got a bullish below, and we have an inverted one in the middle on the 5. Wonder if we're going to be stuck in between these two fair value gaps here.
Artlist.io.
Ralph's up.
Music licensing reimagined.
Sort of stuck right in the middle.
Artlist.io. Artlist.io.
What are they going to do here? What are they going to do here? Getting a lot of movement on the tape, hey guys?
Music licensing.
Lots of volume in this area. Big battle. Big battle, big battle.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
You think an early settler will get squeezed out? Yeah, I mean, definitely could. Could go either way at this moment. You know, we're kind of in the middle of two key levels here.
Artlist.io. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Looking pretty strong. But as soon as I said that, we are starting to pull back a bit here.
Artlist.io.
Wonder if they're going to go back and test that 1 minute or that 5 minute fair value gap bullish one down below first.
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
Minute and 45 on this
Artlist.io.
5-minute candle here. Looking like they might re-invert that fair value gap here. Invert the inverted fair value gap. Doubly inverted. Double
Music
inversion.
licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Pushing lower here. Hard to say what's going to happen at this point.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
Not really sure what to do in this zone here, guys.
Artlist.io.
Probably end the stream here in about 4 minutes, guys. I got to get ready to hit the road.
Music licensing reimagined.
Wrap it up at 9:30, or which would it be 12:30 basically for East Coast time, depending where you're at.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
$25,580 coming. Could quite hit there for sure.
Artlist.
Right to the middle of that fair value gap.
Artlist.io.
One minute left on this candle here. Are they going to invert that fair value gap, or we'll see what happens here?
Reimagined.
For that 9:30 candle, 40 seconds here. Yeah, it keeps playing around, right?
Artlist.io.
20 seconds left here.
Music licensing reimagined.
I think you're right, though. 880 is probably coming.
Artlist.io.
Or 580, sorry. 880. Thinking the ES numbers here.
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Artlist.io.
Market is open now at your location, 9:30 a.m.
Music licensing reimagined.
No, the market opens here at 6:30 a.m. So yeah, we're open at 6:30 a.m. Yeah.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
All right, guys. Hey, so I think I'm just going to wrap it up here. It was a good stream here this morning. What's up, all you guys? X, we got 6 in my X channel, 21 in Randy's X channel, 19 in Nick's X channel, 1 in Randy's YouTube, 2 in Nick's YouTube, and 2 in my YouTube. So thanks for everybody who did tune in and hang out. Definitely check out Top 1 Futures and or Lucid if you're looking for some good accounts with some reputable firms. Got a great discount out there too for them, so you can use my MBT Market Butcher Trades for the best discount on both of those types of accounts. That's where the QR code at the top there is for Top 1 Futures right now, right? Yeah, that's Top 1 Futures. And then I'll just switch it up real quick here too. You can see the other one. So this one up here now is the Lucid Trading accounts. If you want to scan that, you can get directly connected to their page and use MBT Market Butcher Trades. Would appreciate any support. Also, if you guys are on the YouTube channel, definitely hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and thanks again for hanging out. And we'll see you live tomorrow morning at 6:15 a.m. or 9:15 a.m. East Coast, depending on your time. So we will see you next time. So peace out, everybody. Have a good day and stay green.